Hi, I'm Ben with Limits of Liability Racing, and we, like countless pathetic losers who've gone before, have never finished a race at Road America. We've suffered mechanical failures, unforced driver errors, and even had a catastrophic season-ending crash. But you as judges can help us change all of that. By simply classing us in Class C, you can help us to achieve our years-long dream of being pathetic losers who've won a meaningless trophy, standing awkwardly in victory lane with a handful of fellow competitors unenthusiastically applauding as we receive a trophy they wish had gone to someone else. We thank you for your help, and here is a montage of our recent failure to make you feel sorry for us.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are put from there of your sorrow's reverie. You're in the arms of the angels. May you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angels. May you find some comfort here.
So describe it, how your leg is like this, your ankle is kind of like twisted in. So,
I'm not doing
what
that.
day it is today?
This Saturday.
Perfect. Who's president?
Unfortunately, Donald Trump.